Hello everyone and welcome to MemoCard Telegram bot. Today we will show you how to get started with this bot and create your own deck. When you launch bot for the first time, you don't have your own decks yet. You can see some public decks and use them if they suit your learning goals. To find more useful public decks, you can go to the catalog. But today we will focus on creating your own set of cards. Let's imagine that you want to study Spanish, but the principle can apply to different areas of knowledge. We need to give a deck its name. Let it be Spanish words. The description of the deck helps you or people you share your deck with to understand its content better. So we can make a note, basic everyday expressions like greetings, polite words, etc. Save the deck and create the first card. Each card has a front side and a back side. Front is what you will see when you review the card. It's up to you whether you put English or Spanish words first. Let's learn Spanish for yes. If you choose Spanish language for the front side and English for the back side, that's what your flashcard will look like. You will be asked a question in Spanish and you'll have to answer in English. For some more advanced words or grammar rules or whatever, you may create an example, but that's not the case for yes in Spanish. We will explain all the cool things you can do with a flashcard in another video. Now we save the card and it appears in the cards list of our new deck. Let's quickly create some more cards for other basic words. Since it's just an example, we'll add no, please and thank you. You can see that the counter of cards has changed to 4. And here comes one of the most useful features of this bot for learning languages – speaking cards. It's good to know the spelling and translation of the word, but we also need to know how to pronounce it, don't we? So when you have added some cards to your deck, you can use Speaking Cards feature. After turning it on, we set which side of the card we want to be voiced, and which language should we use for it. And just like that, the deck is all set for the reviewing. So far, all of the cards are still new, but once you review them, MemoCard will make sure that you won't forget them by sending you reminders when you are about to forget the card. Let us show you what the reviewing process looks like. If you are sure about the answer, you click I got it right. If you have any doubts, please honestly click Need to Review, so MemoCard will learn that it needs to suggest this card for a review sooner. For the full clarity, let's hear Speaking Cards in action.
Por favor.
You can always listen to it again by clicking on the play button.
Gracias. Gracias.
Congratulations! You have just reviewed your first private deck. After that, it will appear in the list of your decks and you can create some more. You also have an opportunity to create a folder of decks, but we'll explain it in another video. Thank you for watching and make sure to watch our other tutorials to use MemoCard to its fullest.